Ever wondered why spinach never made it to the Avengers despite being a superfood? Or why blueberries haven't signed a superhero contract with Marvel yet? Well, it's a curious case, isn't it? Here we are, in an era where we can't seem to get enough of our superheroes, and yet these superfoods are left on the sidelines. Let's take spinach, for example. It's all green and leafy, packed with nutrients, and yet it can't fly or shoot lasers. Then we have blueberries, tiny little powerhouses of antioxidants, but alas, they can't save us from alien invasions. And let's not forget chia seeds. They might be small, but they're mighty in the world of nutrition. But again, no invisibility cloaks or superhuman strength in sight. So, while these superfoods may not be joining the Justice League anytime soon, they sure pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So, let's not judge our superfoods by their inability to fly or shoot lasers, but by their nutrient content, shall we? Now that we've established that our superfoods won't be joining the Justice League anytime soon, let's uncover their real superpowers. Picture this. You're in the supermarket, you see a bunch of spinach. You don't just see a leafy green veggie, you see Popeye's secret weapon. Yes, folks, spinach is your go-to for muscle building. Then, you spot a punnet of blueberries. These tiny blue orbs are not just sweet treats, they're secret brain boosters. Eating them might not turn you into Einstein, but they could make you the next quiz night champion. And, oh, don't overlook those tiny chia seeds. These diminutive dynamos can help you slip into those skinny jeans without breaking a sweat. So next time you're in the supermarket, think of these superfoods as your secret arsenal. Remember, every time you munch on these superfoods, you're gaining some of their superpowers. So who's the real superhero here? Well, that was quite a nutritious journey, wasn't it? Feeling super yet? It's time now to bring out your inner superhero and join our superfood community. Do you have a favorite superfood recipe that makes you feel like flying? Or perhaps a story about how these nutrient-packed foods have brought a positive change in your life? We want to hear it all. Who knows? Your story may inspire others to embark on their own journey of health and wellness. So, go ahead. Drop your thoughts, experiences, or even your secret superfood recipes in the comments below. Let's create a vibrant space of health enthusiasts, where we can all learn and grow together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more superfood insights, and maybe soon you'll be able to leap tall buildings in a single bound, or at least feel healthier trying. Until next time, keep eating and keep being super.